are the fixtures which you can see, which have got hard water stains. Now, what are hard water stains? This is a calcium and magnesium oxide salts which we have to remove, and these salts can be removed with a product known as BCS A1, bathroom cleaner cum sanitizer concentrate. Now, this is the product which you can use on your fixtures, your glass, your shower door, mirror to remove hard water stains. Take water in a spray bottle, say about 750 ml of water, add 30 to 50 ml of BCS A1. 30 ml is sufficient, 50 ml is for those places where the hard water is very strong or the salts are very hard. So, you use 50 ml, otherwise 30 ml is enough. Once you fill the bottle, just shake the bottle so that the solution becomes homogeneous. Now, spray it on the taps where there are hard water stains. Now, once you spray this, you will find that your tap also shines. Now, this is because BCS contains organic acids. So, your tap keeps on shining, you see, and once your tap shines, you will see that also the hard water stains are dissolved in this solution. Can you see this? Now, the next step, what is to be done is to take a white color Scotch Brite pad. Never use a green color Scotch Brite pad. If you use a green color Scotch Brite pad, it is going to be very abrasive and remove the enamel. You have to use a white color Scotch Brite pad, which is used for steel fixtures, mirror, glass, and you can use it for the shower panel also. So, take the white color Scotch Brite pad and scrub it on the hard water stains. Just scrub it gently on the hard water stains depending upon the hardness of the stains. Okay. Now, you can see how it has been done. You can see how the hard water stains are being rubbed. Rub it gently so that all the hard water stains get removed. After this, if you feel that the hard water stains are still stained, you can once again spray the solution onto the taps or the fixtures and scrub it gently. Now, can you see there is a tremendous shine on the taps, tremendous shine. You can rinse it with water so that you can get an additional shine on it. Can you see this shine on the tap and the fixtures? All the hard water stains which were seen before have been removed with BCS A1. This is what our product, Alpha product, does to remove hard water stain. It is very effective product than any other product. Also, you take a dry cloth and dry the fixtures so that it will give you an additional shine.